Here's a video on how to get started with the ACR Systems JR-2000 data logger. Simply plug the JR-2000 into an open USB port on your computer. Double-click the Click to Download software link. The software download will begin. Click Open, and the install begins. Click Next. You must accept the license agreement. Click Next, and then click Install. The Windows User Account Control may pop up. Simply click Yes if it does. Click Finish. The software is now installed, and you are ready to work with the ACR JR-2000. All ACR product comes with free technical support for the life of the product. Thank you for visiting ACR Systems, and don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel.